The tiniest creatures on our planet are exploding with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs, but not with destructive power. This phenomenon occurs when a hungry caterpillar devours an entire leaf in just seconds. Its mouthparts are capable of cutting through tough plant fibers, like scissors through paper. Scientists estimate that a single caterpillar can eat up to 27,000 times its body weight in a single day. Imagine the equivalent of a human eating a small island, and that's what these tiny creatures are capable of. They don't just eat, they also produce waste that can weigh as much as 30 times their own body weight. Butterflies, being the adult form of caterpillars, are some of the most iconic and recognizable insects in the world. Their delicate wings may look fragile, but they can beat up to 200 times per second when in flight. Butterflies play a vital role in pollination, just like bees, and are essential for the reproduction of many plant species. In fact, without butterflies, many plants would be unable to reproduce, and our ecosystem would be severely impacted. So, the next time you see a butterfly fluttering around a flower, remember the incredible impact these tiny creatures have on our world. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the life cycle of butterflies and their incredible transformation from caterpillar to winged adult. It's a process that has captivated scientists and artists alike and continues to inspire new discoveries and innovations. One of the most interesting aspects of butterfly biology is their unique way of tasting the world around them. Unlike humans, who use their sense of taste to detect flavors, butterflies use their feet to taste the world. They can even taste the sweetness or bitterness of a substance just by touching it with their feet. This unique ability allows butterflies to detect the presence of certain chemicals in the environment and use that information to guide their behavior. Butterflies are also known for their incredible speed, with some species able to fly at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. They use their powerful wings to propel themselves through the air and can even make sharp turns and quick changes in direction. In fact, butterflies are so agile that they can even fly backwards, something that few other insects are capable of. So, the next time you see a butterfly in flight, remember the incredible speed and agility that it's capable of. Indicate the presence of butterflies are also pesticides or other important pollutants in the environment indicators of environmental health, as changes in their populations can signal broader ecosystem problems. For example, indicate the presence of butterflies are also pesticides or other important pollutants in the environment. This is why scientists and conservationists are working hard to protect butterfly habitats and reduce the impact of human activity on these delicate ecosystems. By understanding the biology and behavior of butterflies, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and our place within it. And of course, we can also appreciate the incredible beauty and diversity of these amazing insects. So, if you're fascinated by the world of butterflies, be sure to subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And as always, like and comment below to let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.